So greetings everybody. So my project is bank statement analysis. So this project aims to leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning to revolutionize how bank statements are analyzed for credit worthiness, an essential process in financial services. Talking about my mentor, so my mentor is Jeremy. So I had the privilege of working with Jeremy, whose expertise has been instrumental in guiding me in the project. So talking about the outlines, so here I will be covering abstract, which is a summary of the entire project, the motivation, the driving factor behind choosing this topic and why it is important, project goals, which is the specific objectives I wanted to achieve during this project implementation is the technical steps taken to build the solution, result, the outcomes achieved during the project and the future direction where the project can go from here. So talking about the abstract, so this project is centered around the artificial application of artificial intelligence in financial technology, specifically using machine learning techniques for bank statement analysis. The goal is to streamline the credit worthiness evolution by leveraging the data extracted from bank statements using optical character recognition. The idea is to automate the process of the banks in order to access the loan eligibility, which can also be referred as the financial health, which is very time consuming and traditionally it is done manually. The project employs decision tree and random forest, which are both powerful machine learning algorithms. These algorithms access the income patterns, spending behavior, as well as the balance variations. Through training and fine tuning, I enhance the model predictive power, allowing them to classify individuals or companies as credit worthy or not you, with high precision, recall, and accuracy. By implementing these models, financial institutions can use in order and reduce the time spent on credit evolution, making the process more efficient and consistent. Talking about my motivation, so the motivation for this project is steps from the Mifos mission of ending poverty one line of code at a time. This mission deeply resonates with me because financial inclusion is one of the most important steps towards elevating poverty. Many people, especially in the undeserved regions, don't have easy access to credit because of their financial activities are poorly understood or evaluated. Through AI and machine learning, we can level the playing field by automating the analysis of bank statement, making credit more accessible to broader population. And apart from it, I have always been passionate about using technology, especially AI and fintech, to solve real world problems. Working on this project allowed me to combine my love for AI with my desire to make an impact in the financial inclusion. Talking about the project goals. So, enhance the credit worthiness evolution. Here to develop reliable machine learning models, specifically decision tree and random forest, to analyze the bank statements. The second thing is utilizing the advanced data processing using the OCR technology to extract the vital information from bank statement, including income, spending habits, and balance charges. This pre-processing step is essential for feeding clean structured data into the AI model. The other thing is improving the predictive accuracy. So focusing on the model optimization through rigorous training and parameter tuning. And the last one is to bridge the gap between finance and AI using the exploratory data analysis and clustering techniques. Talking about my project implementation. So when the user journey begins with the eligibility check screen, once the initial requirements are met, user are prompted to upload their bank statement. This is an important step as it introduces automation into the traditional manual process. The OCR processes the uploaded bank statement, extract key financial data into transactions balance, which can be used further by the AI model. Talking about the bank statement summary. So after uploading, a summary is generated displaying important categories like date, description, amount, balance, and category. The goal here is to present the bank statement data in a structured format so that both humans and machines can easily process it. And categorizing help to identify where the majority of the users' spending habits occurs, which is vital for the credit evolution. That daily expense overview involves the screen, which offers a visual breakdown of daily expenses through a bar chart. It categorizes spending into groups like interest, fees, cellular expenses, payments, unsuccessful transactions, as well as other things. Visualizing these expenses helps both the user as well as system to easily track and evaluate daily spending patterns. The daily expense screen shows the spending trends fluctuation over the time. It is a great way to detect patterns in a user's financial behavior. For instance, sharp increase in the spending could indicate the period of financial strain, which is important to be considered when credit worthiness is evaluated. And the final one is the eligibility screen prediction. So the eligibility prediction screen analyzes the user financial metrics such as income, expenses, account balance using the random forest algorithm. This screen provides an initial loan eligibility estimate based on the patterns identified in the bank statement. The algorithm considers factors like income stability, spending consistency, which are critical for making a fair and accurate prediction. Talking about the financial summary dashboard. So the financial summary dashboard is the heart of the analysis, providing key matrices such as the average daily expenses, total expenses, maximum expenses, minimum expenses, as well as the number of transactions. The expense distribution by description gives a circular chart to represent how expenses are divided among different types of categories. Talking about the result, so the bank statement analyzer developed processes the statement from multiple banks, including Net Bank, Standard Bank, First National Bank, as well as the ABSA Bank. It supports a range of statements from 1 to 6 months and achieves accuracy of nearly 100%. This model has proven to be a reliable tool for determining whether a bank statement can serve as a proof of income, key factor in creditworthiness evolution. Talking about the future directions. So one future direction is personalized financial recommendation system. By using advanced algorithms, the system could offer individualized budget advice and saving tips based on the user specific financial data and goals. This would enhance the user experience and allow the system to evolve the user's changing financial situation. The second thing is AI driven fraud detection. Integrating machine learning algorithms to identify fraudulent activities is another key focus. We can use anomaly detection techniques as well as unsupervised learning techniques. The third thing is integrating with blockchain. By exploring the blockchain technology in more depth, we can add layers of transparency and security to the system. A decentralized ledger could ensure that transaction records are tamper proof. The smart contracts could automate and secure financial agreements, reducing the risk of disputes and fraud. And the last one is enhanced cybersecurity. As financial data is highly sensitive, future work will focus on boosting the security of the system. We can use the encryption technologies, biometric authentication, and regular security audits. We aim to ensure that data remains secure during transmission as well as storage. So I would like to thank you all for your time, and I'm happy to address any of the questions. Thank you.